You done? Your shirt's stuck in your underwear. There you go. You're doing a good job, thank you. All right, love you. Where's Lucas? Colton's here, I think.